Inside your body, a powerful immune system is working every second to defend you. Millions of immune cells constantly identify, respond to, and remember potential threats. Vaccines help prepare this natural defense system by teaching it what to recognize. Vaccines are among the most discussed topics in modern healthcare today. Many people want to understand how they work, how safe they are, and why they matter. This episode explores the science, facts, and decisions behind different types of vaccines. Before vaccination, your immune system already has powerful natural defenses. Specialized cells patrol your body and respond whenever they detect unfamiliar organisms. However, some diseases require specific preparation for a faster and stronger response. A vaccine introduces carefully selected biological information into the body. This information helps immune cells recognize a specific target without causing the full disease. The process begins training your immune system for future encounters. After vaccination, immune cells examine and identify the vaccine components introduced into the body. Specialized cells communicate with each other to begin building a targeted response. This coordinated activity creates the foundation for future protection. B cells begin producing antibodies designed to recognize specific disease targets. Some immune cells become memory cells that remain ready for future exposure. These memory cells help the body respond faster when a familiar threat appears. A trained immune system can recognize certain threats more efficiently. Memory cells act like a biological record of previous immune preparation. Vaccination helps give your body a stronger advantage against preventable diseases. Childhood immunizations help protect children during important stages of early development. Vaccines against diseases like measles, polio, tetanus, and whooping cough have changed public health. They are designed to provide protection when children are most vulnerable. Influenza viruses can change over time, creating new seasonal challenges. Scientists monitor circulating flu strains and develop vaccines based on expected patterns. Flu vaccination helps prepare the immune system before exposure occurs. The HPV vaccine helps train the immune system to recognize certain HPV types. It is an important tool in reducing infections linked to HPV-related diseases. Protection works best when vaccination occurs before potential exposure. Not all vaccines are made using the same scientific approach. Some use weakened organisms, proteins, genetic instructions, or other specialized methods. Each technology uses a different pathway to create immune protection. Vaccines go through extensive research before they become widely available. Scientists study effectiveness, safety, and possible reactions through multiple evaluation stages. Monitoring continues after approval to maintain ongoing safety assessment. A common question is whether vaccines place too much pressure on the immune system. Scientific evidence shows that the immune system can respond to many signals every day. Vaccines provide targeted training rather than overwhelming the body's defenses. The immune system responds to vaccines by identifying specific biological signals. Immune cells communicate, activate, and create protective responses against future threats. This process works alongside the many other activities happening inside your body every day. Some people wonder if vaccines can create the diseases they are designed to prevent. The truth is that vaccines are created to train immunity, not produce the full illness. They provide the body with information needed to prepare its defenses. Vaccines help the immune system practice recognizing specific disease targets. This allows the body to build antibodies and memory cells without experiencing the complete infection. The result is a prepared defense system ready for future encounters. Natural infection can sometimes lead to immunity after the body fights a disease. However, infection may also involve complications and unpredictable health risks. Vaccination provides a controlled method of preparing the immune system. A prepared immune system can react more quickly when it encounters a familiar threat. Memory cells allow the body to recognize and respond with greater efficiency. This preparation is one of the key goals of vaccination. Some people believe vaccines are released without enough scientific evaluation. In reality, vaccines are studied through carefully designed research and clinical processes. Multiple stages help researchers evaluate safety and effectiveness before widespread use. Vaccine development involves laboratory research, testing, evaluation, and continued monitoring. Scientists collect and analyze information throughout each stage of development. This process helps ensure vaccines meet established safety and quality standards. Concerns about side effects are common when discussing any medical treatment. However, not every reaction has the same level of severity or significance. Understanding the difference between expected and rare effects is important. After vaccination, some people may experience temporary reactions like soreness or mild fever. These effects are often signs that the immune system is responding. Most common reactions usually improve as the body completes its immune training. Many people associate vaccines only with childhood healthcare visits. However, protection needs can continue throughout different stages of life. Adults may also require certain vaccines based on age, health, and circumstances. Vaccination can support health from infancy through adulthood and older age. Different life stages may require different forms of protection. Healthcare recommendations often change as personal needs and risks change. One important purpose of vaccination is reducing the impact of preventable diseases. By preparing the immune system, vaccines help the body respond before serious illness develops. Prevention remains one of the strongest tools in public health. Vaccination can also influence the health of entire communities. When many people have protection, certain diseases may have fewer opportunities to spread. This can provide additional support for people who are more vulnerable. After vaccination, some people experience temporary reactions as the immune system responds. Common effects may include soreness, tiredness, or mild fever for a short period. These reactions usually reflect normal immune activity as protection develops. Like all medical interventions, vaccines are carefully monitored for possible rare reactions. Scientists continue studying safety information to understand and investigate unusual events. Ongoing monitoring helps maintain confidence in vaccine safety systems. Vaccine safety evaluation continues even after vaccines become widely available. Researchers and health professionals collect information from different monitoring systems. This continuous review helps identify patterns and improve public health decisions. Every vaccine contains carefully selected components with specific scientific purposes. Ingredients are evaluated to support stability, effectiveness, and safe delivery. Researchers study each component throughout the vaccine development process. Different vaccines require different schedules because immune responses develop in unique ways. Timing helps ensure the body receives protection when it is most beneficial. Healthcare professionals use scientific guidance to recommend appropriate schedules. mRNA technology uses temporary instructions to help cells create an immune response. These instructions teach the immune system to recognize a specific target. The mRNA does not alter human DNA and naturally breaks down afterward. History shows how vaccination programs have changed the impact of many diseases. Communities have seen major improvements in controlling several vaccine-preventable illnesses. Understanding the past helps explain the value of prevention today. Making healthcare decisions often begins with asking questions and seeking guidance. Healthcare professionals can explain options based on personal health information. A conversation with a trusted provider helps support informed choices. In today's digital world, health information comes from many different sources. Learning to identify reliable scientific and medical resources is essential. Accurate information helps people make thoughtful decisions about their health. Vaccine recommendations can depend on many individual circumstances. Age, medical history, lifestyle, and exposure risks can influence healthcare guidance. Personal factors help determine what protection may be most suitable. Good health decisions require understanding both benefits and possible risks. Looking at evidence and personal circumstances creates a balanced approach. Informed choices come from knowledge, discussion, and trusted medical advice. Vaccines are one part of a broader approach to preventing infectious diseases. Science, research, and education help communities make informed health decisions. Understanding how vaccines work empowers people to protect their well-being. Your immune system is a remarkable network designed to protect your body. Vaccines are one way science helps strengthen this natural defense system. Understanding immunity helps us appreciate the connection between health and prevention. Follow Anatomy Jingles for more health videos like this. Comment where you are watching from, and see you in the next video.